paano gamitin yung Instant Pot sa pressure cooks setting. So this is my first time using Instant Pot with pressure cook setting. So my husband helping me how to explain how to use the pressure cooker after it's done.
Some recipes call for a rapid release. To do a rapid release, you push this down, steam comes up quickly, it releases the steam quickly, and once this silver button drops down, the pressure has been released. It's okay to twist the lid off and take the lid off. To do a natural release, you don't do anything, and it takes about 15 minutes for the pressure to release. This silver thing will go down on its own, but again, it takes about 15 minutes to do that. What it does, it makes the meal cook longer for a longer period of time for about another 15 minutes. So again, a quick release, this pushes down, the steam comes up and releases very quickly, the pressure goes away quickly, the cooking is done quicker. A natural release takes about 15 minutes longer, but in both cases, this silver thing will drop down. Once this drops down, you know that the pressure has been released and it's okay to take the lid off.
So thank you, Habi, for explaining everything. I hope this video help you guys how to use Instant Pot using pressure cook setting.